Of course, it's another day and another time to bring you your favorite show where art meets amazing conversation and, of course, premium fun. My name is Rochelle and I welcome you specially to another special edition of this program, proudly brought to you by Afia TV on the STV channel 254 and, of course, on Good TV channel 17. It's the 15th day in the month of August. I really love how this month is running so fast, and I hope it continues with this pace. Maybe in a week or 2 weeks' time, we're going to be done with the month of August and move on with other months, that we have left in the year 2024. Just in case you've forgotten, let me remind you, this is 2042 month right here in Afia TV, a month where we get to tell you more about the beautiful story of Enugu, explore the town, and do everything fun. We're going to go on a short break. When we come back, I'm going to be letting you in into who is coming on the show tonight. Guys, I've got someone very big and someone very important. Believe me, you don't want to miss out on this person. So make sure you leave it locked because we're going to go on a short break. When we come back, it's going to be showtime. All right, the appointed time is before us. Yeah, it's now time for us to get started with everything that we've got for you on the show today. And like I said before, I've got someone very special. Like, you wouldn't want to miss this person. If you do, you're going to be so hard on yourself. And I bet if you would ever get to forgive yourself for doing so. Okay, so who is this person I am talking about? I am talking about the one and only Moon Boy. Yeah, he always calls himself the Moon Boy. I don't know how he got to be a Moon Boy, but not only I know, Sha, and probably he might also tell us right here on the show. Now, Moon Boy is a Nigerian singer. He is a songwriter and a performer, and he's going to be joining us virtually all the way from Lagos. His real name is Okike Fabian, but he is popularly known as Singah. Hi, Singah.
Yo, what up, what up, what up?
Yeah, I love that energy. What's up, my guy? Now you're making me feel like I'm a musician. You know how you guys just pick up the mic and be like, yo, what's up, my fan? Yeah. My name is Singah.
What's up, bro? What's happening?
So what's up with you? How are you doing?
I'm well.
Okay.
Let's go.
You look so chilled. How's your evening going over there in Lagos?
Pretty calm. I'm in the studio.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like Lagos and calm in one word. How is that possible?
Well, where I am is calm. My space is calm. My house is calm.
Okay.
So I don't know about the street.
Okay. So your stage name is Singah, and you are a singer. So did you purposely choose that name because it corresponds with the name of your profession?
Quick one. It used to be Fabian Singah, my real name, and Singah. So when I got signed, 2018.
Yeah, by Mr.
I had to decide the stage name. So I decided to take the Fabian out and put the Singah. Then I tweaked the spelling a little bit. So it's just Singah.
Yeah.
I feel like he represents who I am. When you hear the name Singah, you already know he's singing. So it's that easy.
Okay. Oh, I see. That's actually a very creative way of, you announcing yourself and telling person, hey, this is me, so you don't need to stress it. So, judging you from all your song, you're always talking about love this, love that. In fact, one would call you a lover boy or the ladies' man. So I want to know, some people do some things because it's career. Then in real life, they are totally different from the image that they try to paint. So for you, in real life, are you a love person, or it's just something you do because of your career?
I love love.
You love love? Oh, I see.
Yeah, I love
like
love.
How bad do you love love?
I don't know. There's no way to equate it in my head how bad I love love, but I love love. I love the idea of a beautiful love story. So I tell love story. It doesn't necessarily have to be me. Doesn't
Okay.
necessarily have to be what's going on in my life. It's just I'm an artist, so I idealize what a perfect love story would be, and I put it in music, and people listen to it and they enjoy it. So
Okay.
yeah, I love love. Yeah, I appreciate love, and I just love the idea of a perfect love story. So I love to tell them through my music.
Okay, that's good. I just hope that one day, you would use your song to convince me and give me reasons to move from, being a violence person to being a lovey-dovey person. I just hope one day you do that with your song. So let's take it back a little bit. At what point did you discover that you actually have passion for what you are doing right now?
I think ever since I can remember talking.
Like ever since,
Yeah,
ever
ever
since
since I
could be
can remember
when?
talking. Yeah, I don't know. I think I was like 5, 6. I've always sang, and if you ask me then what I wanted to do, I wanted to be a musician. Everybody knew. Like I knew, my mom knew, my family knew,
Were you
friends
church
knew. I wanted to
choir?
be. Yes, I was. I joined so many things.
You joined so many things. Okay.
So I
I'm
joined
just
so many
imagining
things.
there's so many things
Yeah.
that you joined.
So when it comes to music,
Yeah.
whenever you tell me there's music here, I'm always there. I don't know what they're saying. I just want to be there. So
Okay.
whether it's church, whether it's mosque, or whatever it is, I just love to be around music. So I didn't really. So I was in between choirs, and I was a studio rat too. I always listen. So it's been my life. It's been what I've always wanted to do, and what I've always known I was gonna do, and what I knew I do best. Like it's a God-given talent. I sing and people are like get chills. So why not? It's life.
Oh, okay. It's good to hear that you discovered your talent at a very early stage of your life. So, at what point, did you make it professional? Did you turn it to a business?
I think it was when I first got signed by P Classic, owned by Mr. P, one
Yeah.
of the P Square Duo.
Yeah.
Shout
Peter.
out to him. So yeah, so at that moment it became business. It's no longer just a fun thing anymore. It's like somebody's investing in your talent now. So you have to like show the world what you got. So that moment, I think that was when it became professional for me.
Okay. So, how did that happen? Getting signed under the record label of Mr. P. He's one of the forces to reckon with in the industry. So, how were you able, to make that magic happen?
I didn't make it happen. God did.
God did. All
God
right. So,
did.
tell me the story. Tell me what led to it. I want to know. I know God did. Yeah.
So yeah,
So,
it's a quick one. I don't know. He out of nowhere randomly texted me. Like if I tell you, I know how he just got
you
to
mean
my
text
DM and stuff
message
like.
or he messaged you
Yeah,
on social
on
media?
Instagram. Yeah.
Okay, on
Like,
Instagram.
it
Oh,
was,
okay.
is that what?
Yeah, go ahead. You said he texted you on Instagram. Yeah, I got that. Continue what you were
Yeah, it was.
saying.
Oh, sorry, I'm having network glitch. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, so he texted me on Instagram and was like, "You're very talented." Because then I do post stuff, so like videos of me singing. So I was like, I can't believe this. So I texted back, and it was the real him. So he showed from the onset, he showed how intrigued and interested he was in me. Has always been interested, like seeing me, my stuff, and all. So I was so excited, like I just couldn't help it. I was like, wow. So that was just the genesis of how it all started. So we got talking, and then I got signed, and then the story began.
The story began. And, as they usually say, the rest is history. So in 2018, I think did that happen in 2018?
I think that happened late 2017.
Okay, late
2018.
2017. Then in
Yeah, I got
2018, you now dropped Teyamo.
yeah.
Okay, so when you walked into the studio, I know how important it is for artists that are up and coming, to make sure that their first entrance into the music scene is one that is actually a banger. So when you walked into the studio, to record the song and do everything that has to do with it, did you see it breaking out the way it did that time? Because it was really a hit. Did you see that coming? And what were you able to make out of that particular phase of your career?
I think one thing that stood out when making Teamo was the fact that it was different.
Okay.
Like it was different from every other sound, whatever anybody was doing that moment.
Yeah.
So it didn't even sound like a Nigerian.
Yeah, because you infused like different languages in that song.
Languages, yeah. So when I played it to my label boss and everybody heard it and I was like, this is the song, this is the song, this is the song. Like the song was. So it was not even a doubt. Like we just knew this was the song that was going to do it. So we put it out, and it was loved. Like it was loved. I think it was at some point it was number 2 in Tanzania and I think Kenya or something. It was really big stuff there. So a lot of people didn't even know I was Nigerian. Like I'm Nigerian. Like so ask, are you Nigerian? Like yeah, I'm Nigerian and Igbo. So yeah. Teamo was different from the onset, so I knew there was something different about the song. And when it became big, I was like, yeah, I knew it. Yeah, we knew it. We felt it before it came out.
So you were not overwhelmed with the fame at that particular point in time?
There was never a point I've ever been overwhelmed. I just wanted more. I just felt like this is not it. I need to do more.
You and Oliver Twist, you want more.
yes, I've always wanted more. So Teamo was just the beginning. When I did Teamo, I think I had more pressure of what's next.
Yeah.
I wasn't even dwelling on Teamo. Okay, I'm giving them a good song. Now everybody's definitely waiting for what's next. So it has to be really good. So that was the focus after Teamo was out. I wasn't in the euphoria of Teamo anymore. I was like, what's going on? What are we doing next?
Okay, so you said that you wanted to be different and you achieved that with Teamo, your first hit. So how would you describe your sound? Because today you are doing this, you're doing that. One can't just come out and say, oh, I think let me hold this guy here. So how would you define your sound?
Well, intentionally, like growing up, I listened to my music range was so wide that I was listening to music I wasn't even supposed to be listening to.
Okay.
So I got influenced by so many sounds. So it's just inbuilt in me to always want to do different kind of music. I don't just want to be here. If I can do this, why not do this? If I can do this, why not do this? Like I don't want to limit my abilities to how I can create. I can create like whatever comes to my mind because I've listened to too many. My listening capacity is too wide for me to just be sounding the same. You understand? So I think that was the path for me, and I've always known that I was going to do music different ways, like dive into different genres. Sometimes I rap. I started off as a rapper at some point. So it's music. So yeah.
Okay. So how far with Mr. P? Are you still on with him, or you guys are done, like officially done?
In terms of personal relationship, we're still 100. Like, still link up, still talks to me sometimes and hang out sometimes and support me. But in terms of business-wise, label-wise, no. My contract got I finished my contract with P Classic, so I'm no longer under him. Like contract-wise, but relationship-wise, personally, we're still really, really good.
Yeah, because I see him showing you some love on the comment section, and I'm like, wow, like this is extraordinary. Like it's not really something that we see over there, in the music industry, because you see some artists, they leave a record label, and before you know what's happening, they are dropping this track for their defunct record label. It's like cat and dog fighting, but you and Mr. P, it's a different ball game for you too, and I really love it. I love that kind of environment and narrative. So it's now Mansa Music Group, and at a point should I say you disappeared? I don't know.
Yeah,
But,
you can say that.
you disappeared. Like you kept mute on ours. You kept us in the dark. Let me even ask you: do you think that what you did is fair? Like judge it as a Christian, like with your church mind. What you did. If someone did to you, would you like
fair.
it?
It wasn't fair. Not even for me. Yeah,
Huh?
it wasn't.
It wasn't, right? So please, can you
I'm
tell
sorry.
us what did we do like to deserve such treatment? Why did you leave us for 2 whole years? What happened?
Yeah, almost. I think it's more than 2 years. I think it's a little bit more than 2 years, 2.5 years.
Oh,
I think.
I'm even trying to reduce the offense for you.
So yeah. It was. I think it was life generally. I think I just went through life. Like it got to a point whereby I went to a whole lot, like roller coaster, physically, mentally,
Okay.
emotionally.
Are there things you would love to share with us here?
Yeah. Not right now. But
Why? Why not right now?
Bring us back a little bit.
Is it
So,
that
yeah,
emotional?
Yeah. I don't want to cry on TV.
Are you okay? Don't worry, we've got enough tissues here. We can wait.
Yeah.
But can you just give us a
I
hint?
went through.
Is it heartbreak?
There was heartbreak. There was mentally I couldn't create. There was financially I didn't have the funds to push myself like the way I wanted to. So it was just a whole lot. But I kept it together and I knew that when it's time to pop out, I'm definitely gonna pop out again. So then I met my new label and then
the Master
back
Music
to it.
Group.
So
Okay.
yeah, back to the music group. So yeah.
All right. So you are back. Yeah. Finally.
Yeah, back.
In 2024. And so far, so good. You've been able to drop 4 dope jams for us just in the year 2024. I'm just imagining what's going to happen by the time we get to 2025. So
Well, actually, sorry, baby. This is the first song I'm dropping. Without You, it's my first single. Whatever you must have heard this year, it's probably a feature, but this is like actually my first single.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. Then, okay, you dropped your first song after 2 years, and we have Without You. And as a lover boy in the Without You, you still talked, you did your love thing. Yeah, without you, I'm nothing. Okay, were you speaking about someone, or it's just you talking generally about love?
It was just me talking generally about love. It was just an idea of like, I've been in love before, definitely, so I know how it feels. So I was just equating it into music, and then I thought about some clever lyrics to use for it. And then, Without You came up about it. So.
And also, you've backed it up with dropping the video for that particular song. Like everything is just happening so fast for you. So
Yeah.
Okay. Is it going to end on the music video, or there are more we should expect of Without You, or you've got something new that you are working on?
Well, I already have an album that I'm like ready for you guys. Like I already have an It's titled Full Moon.
Full Moon.
So,
That reminds me. Your older name is Moon Boy. Please, have you ever visited the moon? How did you get Moon Boy for yourself?
I think I've always resonated with the moon. Like I love the moon. I love to look at the moon. I love the idea and concept of the moon. So it has always been my thing. So I just thought about it. I'm like, Moon Boy. I don't know any Moon Boy, so why don't I just pick Moon Boy? Everybody's Star Boy, this boy. I want
Okay, Star Boy, Wiz Boy. Okay, so you not choose Moon Boy. But what happened to Sun Boy? You'd have chosen Sun instead of the moon? Yeah.
Well, I connect to the moon more, so I would not have gone to the sun. I don't want to burn everybody out.
Okay, so let's talk about the album. You said that you're going to be dropping very soon. How many tracks, are you having on that album?
It's a 10-track album.
10-track album. Okay.
Yeah, Without You is the official single, and working on a remix for me, Without You. But I can't say anything about that now.
Because I am going to ask you. I am going to ask. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
yeah, yeah. So I'm working on a remix. I'm trying to put an artist like a really really big one top artist in Africa. I won't say the name yet. So, but
Don't
yeah,
worry.
it's just
The Holy Spirit is going to touch
I'll
your
spill
mind.
it
You will
out for
just
you guys.
mistakenly say. So, are there other collaborations, of the
Yeah,
album?
yeah, 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 yeah. The album I have Mohombi. I don't know if you know Mohombi, two-time
Okay,
Grammy
yeah.
Award winner.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
Just him.
Mohombi the album. I have Jay Wiz.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I have an artist from the UK called Daycom.
Okay. That's a good
Yeah,
one. Hmm.
yeah. So I think I have like 4 features in the album.
So when should we expect this? I know you said very soon, but you're very soon. There was this other time you came out and say, "Oh, don't worry, I'm going to be dropping something," and then we didn't see you. So I hope you're not trying to pull this.
No. This time is I'm not gonna stop dropping music. Like
Okay,
the
so
album is gonna be this year. So I don't know specifically what month, but it's definitely this year. But there's gonna be another single for the album drops. So definitely we're locked in this year.
all right, welcome back. It's still the Thursday edition of Nka right here on Afia TV, broadcasting live on DSTV channel 254 and of course on GoTV channel 17. Tonight we are still conversing with a singer who is joining us virtually all the way from Lagos City. Hi, Singah. Are you still there with us?
Yeah. I'm locked in.
Okay, so before we went on that short break, you were telling us, giving us reasons to actually believe you that you're going to be dropping your next album before the year 2024 runs out. So you're not putting a date to it. All you were saying is that we should just watch out for it before the year runs out.
It's gonna be out before the year runs out. But I'm not giving you a date because I don't have one yet. But definitely.
Oh, you don't want us to pressure you. No, we are going to raise it to raise. We'll go raise on your case. We'll have to raise it. Okay, so you've worked with quite a number of great artists in the industry, and also from what you told us in your forthcoming album, you also have great artists that you are also going to work with, or rather you've worked with for that album. So are there still more artists that you envisage working with in the industry?
Of course, why not?
Oh, of course, why not? Okay, so tell me, who are those persons?
A whole lot of them, like the list is a whole lot. Like I want to work with all the young artists, the hot ones right now, the hot talented ones killing it right now. I want to work with them. I want to get in the studio with them, make magic with them. I just can't start naming names. Like everybody that's doing it, that's killing it right now, I want to work with them. I want to make music with them. So
okay.
Definitely.
You took 2 years and 2.5 years break, right? And during this period, we saw the industry take a different dimension because it hasn't been this hot, before, because every day we keep seeing new artists, we keep seeing new entries, new people coming in, and they don't just come in and act like newbies. Some of them come in and just listening to them, you would think that they've been there for ages. So you coming back after 2.5 years, do you somehow feel like you have so much to catch up with? Like the gap is so much, like there's just something you really need to work hard for you to make up. So people would know that, okay, I am back, I'm fully back.
Yeah. I just think if the music is undeniably awesome and then you're pushing it, I don't think you have to be scared. It's gonna pop. You just have
like
to.
You're trying to overwork yourself.
I don't think. I think now music is easier for me right now because before I used to overthink music. I used to overthink it. I used to, but now I just figured out that I think along the years I learned how to approach music easier, and in a very different way. When you listen to the album, you understand what I'm saying because it's a different vibe. Like it's me in my full mood. So so yeah, the album is awesome. You will understand when you listen to it.
All right, no
So
problem. We are looking out for that particular album, Full Moon, from Singah. All right, Singah, we're going to go on a short break. We still have lots more to come here on Inca. You know, we'll not only get to have great conversation here, we'll play games, we do so many other fun things. We're going to go on another short break. When we come back, we are going to be letting you into the next thing that we've got for you tonight. Please make sure you hang in there. We're going to be right back.
all right.
Yeah. Glad to know that you're still joining us for tonight's edition of Nka. Yes, of course, tonight my guest is the one and only Moon Boy, aka Singah, and he is joining us virtually all the way from Lagos. No, I don't want to call it Lagos today. He's Why are you laughing, Singah? Have you heard that before? My friend told me I'm not the originator of that name. Yeah, someone told me that it's actually Lagos because of the atrocities, because of the things that happen in that town. Yeah.
Tell me about it.
Singah is not joining us from Lagos. It's actually joining us from Lagos. So,
Lagos.
Singah, yeah, it's time for us to move over to something quite different, you know, from what we've done before. So here on the show, we always have this not so big, not so small surprise for all our guests. And, you know, it's a surprise that comes from a place of love. And as a lover boy, you know, someone that loves love, I'm sure you're going to love this one very well.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see, you know, let's see what we've got on you tonight. Yeah, let's see.
Whoa.
This is just the first one.
Wow. Wow. Nice.
Okay. Look at you.
Wow.
What's happening here? Fine boy, no pimple. Oh,
Wow.
you know how you want to switch your lover up, and you be like, you just use your finger and cross your mouth and say,
Wow. This part. This part Rangers.
Do you still have them? Okay. I think this looks like, oh, okay. Hey.
Wow.
Can you remember the year you took this picture?
I think that was 2011.
Okay. You were still in
Yeah,
school.
so.
This looked like a school environment.
I was at school then.
Okay.
I think I just got admitted to the university.
Okay.
So yeah.
See this particular pose again. What's up with this pose? Like, what was it?
Just be feeling too much tea.
Okay, too much this. Wait, what's this? Are you seeing this?
Come on. It's enough. Thank you.
Oh, good. And that's the last one.
Wow.
I love the entrance and exit. I just love it. So, were you surprised?
Actually, I was, because I haven't seen these pictures in I can't even remember the last time I saw them.
Okay. So, we made you feel nostalgic tonight. You owe us
Wow.
for that.
Wow.
Okay, all right. So that's just it with, you know, the not so big and not so little surprise that we've got for you on the show tonight. Now it's time for us to play games. I hope you are ready to play our game. Yeah, we'll have games to play.
All right.
Distance is not a barrier. So we've got 3 games we're going to be playing on the show. We're going to be starting off with the rating game. So on the rating game, what we'll basically do is just to rate people. Yeah, so we give you names of some artists. You rate them. You tell us who your best is out of those names, and then who your worst is out of those names. I hope we are clear with this.
Come on. I put me at this spot.
What's it? But are we clear? Yes or no? Answer
Uh,
me. Huh?
okay, okay, we're clear.
Okay, we're clear, right? Okay, so let's go. So you're going to be rating from best to worst this artist. First on the list is Chike, and second is Davido. 3, Flavor. 4, Wizkid. 5, Casey. And number 6, Burna Boy. So who is taking your best tag and your worst tag?
Wow. That's a tough one. Let me hear the
But it's a game.
name.
You can do it. I know you can ace this game. Just play. You can.
Let me hear the names again, because
Okay, so we have Chike, Davido, Flavor, Wizkid, Casey, and Burna Boy. Did you hear me, Singah?
Yeah, I heard you.
Okay, so are you thinking?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give it to rate by best. I'll give it to Chike.
Chike is your best.
So you said I should rate from top, right?
Yeah, best
Or
to worst. Yeah.
best to worst according to the game, right? Okay. I'll give it to Chike.
Okay.
Casey,
Okay.
and Flavor.
Okay.
Then Whiskey and Burna Boy. What?
Their what? What
Yeah.
did you call them? Your worst.
According to the game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, one person takes the tag, the best tag, and one person takes the worst tag. That's how it's been played.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
that's how it's been played.
Yeah.
So I have to like
Choose one person for each category. One person for each category.
okay. But how many categories did you give me?
It's just best and worst. Yeah. So you tell me
Okay.
this person is my best and this person is my worst. Very simple.
Okay. Okay.
You said okay like 10 times. Okay, okay. And what? What's next after okay?
Okay. For the context of the game, I think my best would be Chike,
Okay.
and my worst would be
Who's your what?
let me say Casey.
Okay. All right. So we've gotten our best and our worst. Okay, that's good and fine. So let's advance to the next game that we've got tonight. The second game is called This or That. So the only rule here is that your response comes in as fast and possible. It's not as stressful as the first one. I'm just giving you this tip. Like, let me give you expo, right? So we are going to start. I give you the options. There are just 2 for each. Then you choose one out of the 2. But let your response come in as fast as possible. Let's see how we're going to go with it. So are you ready for the second game?
All right, let's go.
All right, so let's play the This or That game. Best place to live in the East, Enugu or Owerri?
I'm a weird boy. I'm so weird.
Okay, Owerri. Egusi or Nubo?
Onubu,
Abacha or pizza?
Abacha,
Sweet or traditional?
traditional,
Clubbing or sleeping?
sleeping, and
Sleeping. Okay.
yeah,
Call or text?
text.
Mid 30 women or mid 40 women?
Mid 30 or mid 40 women?
Yeah. Choose one.
Mid 30.
Light skinned women or dark skinned women?
That's tricky. Dark skin.
Okay, so loyalty or respect?
Respect.
Chicken or goat's meat?
Goat's meat.
Egusi or bono?
Obono.
Fufu or amala?
Fufu.
Moi moi or akara?
Moi moi.
For buns?
So what?
Puff puff or buns?
Puff puff.
Fried rice or jollof rice?
Jollof.
Which of the jollof? Is it Ghana jollof or Nigerian jollof?
For peace sake, Cotonou jollof.
For peace sake. So if not for peace sake, you would have done otherwise.
Yes, I'm in a good mood today.
Okay, you're in a good mood today. Okay, all right. So Asun or Nkwobi?
What did you call it?
Asun or Nkwobi? Nkwobi. Okay, a round of applause for yourself. Yeah, like you aced the first game, the second game. Yeah. So we are on to the last game on the show tonight. So this last game is called the impression game. So tell us, who is your favorite performer, whether a musician, an actor, or a comedian?
Favorite performer?
Yeah.
Musician.
Who are you choosing?
Kendrick Lamar.
Okay, Kendrick Lamar. That's good. So do you know what you're going to be doing for us?
Yeah.
You know?
I don't know. Tell me.
Okay, so you are going to be mimicking him for at least 30 seconds. So we all know Kendrick, like he's a great rapper. So you're gonna be, dropping some bars for us. Do something that he has done before, like make us feel like we are interacting with Kendrick.
Okay, maybe one of his rap.
Yeah, one of his rap. Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah.
Off-white sun, seeker, hot the marina. Fucking find them. I like to buy yachts when I get the fever. Wine color spill on my white t-shirt. The sightseer. Trifecta money, mall culture. That's my leisure, my visa. Passport tatted. I should hop in a visa. Do kind of girl is some looking just to get me some pizza. Who can reach us? Only God can teleport this type of freedom. God, my confession is yours. Well, who am I if I don't go to war? There's opportunity when living with loss. I discover myself when I fall short. Put my head to the fallen sky. I fantasize, me jumping planet immortalized. I correspond to angels watching me all the time. Put my children to sleep with a prayer, then close my eyes. Definition of peace. Tell me who gonna stop.
Wow. That was a great one. I think you should go back to rapping. I know you once tried it, but I think at this point, you need to go back to it because you are going to shake the industry if you eventually do. Please.
Maybe one of these days.
One of these days, right? You will do something on rap. Okay. All right, Singah. Thank you very much for playing that game excellently well. And with that, we've come to the end of the show tonight. Yeah. It's time to let you go and, relieve you of all our troubles right here on the show. Thank you very much for being our guest on Inca tonight. It's indeed our pleasure, getting to find out, though you did not tell us what exactly, but, you attributed it to some emotional and personal problems.
It'll be continued. There's a sequel to this.
Okay, there's a sequel. You're whining me. That's what you're doing. No problem. You're just lucky you're not here because I would have held you so firmly. I would have allowed you to go. You would have spilled the beans if you were here with me. But it's all good. No problem. Let's leave it for some other time. Probably when you drop your album, we might get to have this conversation again. Yeah, then I would hold you to your word. Thank you once again for making it to Inca tonight. Now, you're going to be doing one more thing for me before you go. So we know Without You is out there. It's on the airwave. People are banging to it, streaming the song. Please, you are going to be giving us a live rendition of the chorus of Without You. That's just the only thing you're going to do for me before you go tonight. Just this.
All right.
Yeah.
All ready? Let's go.
Yep, I'm ready. Let's go.
Like vibrator when no carry charger. I am nothing without you. Like for Christmas when them no blow banger. I am nothing without you. And like for party with them no cook your love. You know I'm nothing without your love. Like never when no carry ladder. I am nothing without you, yeah.
Okay. That was a great one. Thank you very much, Singah. Thank you once again, and
Thanks
enjoy
for
the
having
rest of
me.
your
I
night.
had fun. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, okay. Bye. Good night. Okay, and with that, we've come to the end of the show tonight. It was indeed great, hanging out with a singer right here on the show tonight. Yeah, you already know Without You is out there, so you better go jam to that song. If you've got a loved one, yeah, use the song and remind them how much you really love them. And if you are not a believer of love, my sister, my brother, it's time for you to open up your heart and accept love and let love take over your life. My name is Rochelle. I'm going to be saying goodbye at this point. Tomorrow we've got something big coming through. Yeah, it might not be here. It might be somewhere else. I don't know yet. But let's see what tomorrow holds for all of us right here in Apia TV. It's still the Made in 042 month right here in Apia TV. Please ensure that you walk with us as we tell you the beautiful story of our dear Enugu. That's our own state, Enugu State. For now, good night. Let's do this again tomorrow. I don't know whether it's here or somewhere else, but fingers crossed. Yeah, just cross your fingers and watch out. Let's see what's going to play out tomorrow. Goodbye.